Hello, it's Kazi here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do a super interesting thing. We're gonna build a business from the scratch to MVP by using two fantastic tools, IdeaBrowser.com and Codex. So what is IdeaBrowser? IdeaBrowser is basically gives you idea based on trends, problem, and so forth. It's analyze the ideas, what is the pinpoint for the customer, will they pay for it or not. So everything you need to know about your idea. It's basically a idea validations things. The Codex, the ChatGPT's code agents, it will do everything you need to know. It will write code, it will give you marketing plan and whatever you need. So what you need to do, just click and prompt to right away and gives you the all of things what you need to know. Basically, it's very easy than you expected. So in 2025, there will be lots of businesses for the solopreneurs, and entrepreneurship will be more easier than before. So all you have to do, you get to know about the tools and the right strategy to grow up and your mindset. So these three things will help you to get shit done. So let's get it started. All we have to do, we have to go to first IdeaBrowser.com so that we can get our idea. So there is the idea of the day of December 26th. So here you go. There is a home hit tick and thermal scan shows. So there is a really good numbers here, growth and volume. So we're gonna just build it. First of all, we will make a prompt for that. There you go. There is a very super long prompt here. We just wanted to save our time, so you can pause and paste it out to ChatGPT or whatever LLMs you are using. There is our employees ready to build this out. So we're just gonna copy it and paste it to ChatGPT or whatever LLM you are using. I give it to our ChatGPT to build this idea or giving us three more ideas about that so that we can build that our MVP. The first idea is Draft Fix AI. The first AI helps to homeowners to prioritize the cheapest, fastest fix to stop heat losses without needing a full thermal scan using guided photos or room queries. And the second is the utility proof. The core idea utility proof is energy lags directly to your real utility bill. A user uploaded the monthly gas bill scan. So this looks pretty utility proof. And third is warm path. Warm path is a light well B to B to C tools for HVAC constructor instruction companies and energy automation generation. So whatever you like, you can make it up. There is a comparison to founder lanes here. Monetization is basically a very, very good documents whatever you want to build. So for me, I would like to build a utility proof. This sounds pretty well for me. So I just want to copy and paste it here. So copy to I wanted to build. It will give me maybe everything's for PRD file. So products, requirement documents. Here is everything here is build that out. So we got our PRD. So right now we just wanted to go to VS Code, which is a really free code editor. You can download it by your own, and we need a Codex plugin. So as far as you are paying for that, as far as you are on paid version of ChatGPT, you can go to Codex. You have to download the extensions. Codex extensions, you just want to write Codex. I have already installed it. So right now we just wanted to work with that. We just wanted to make a new folder, open up a new folder. So here's my workplaces. I just on window, we just wanted to Control Shift N. So that will make a new folder, new idea. So I just opened it up, this folder, and I will paste it up to here to build this idea. I'll give it the prompt, make sure you're on new chart here, and add context. You can edit file, images, whatever you want, as you can work to code and whatever you can. So according to your needs, you can set up your own. And I'm gonna just wanted to build in your local workplace, not cloud. And full agent mode, make sure you're in full agent mode. It will do everything. And then you have the model you can use as high as possible, but for this time I just wanted to use Codex Mini. And there is a reasoning model here. You can use high or medium, whatever, but I do as high as possible. So I just copy it and pasted the PRD file, everything, copy, and I just wanted to paste it here. Right now, I just wanted to say, can you build this idea? Make sure our PRD file and it will absolutely work for us. No worry about it, nothing complex. All you have to do just need our really good workflows to how to work and what is the right workflows to get it started. So it's checking and it's reading the whatever text we have given it here, and it will automatically create everything. So let me know which direction you like to prioritize the preferred searching up. So can you build this idea for me using Next.js and Supabase? And it is started working. Right now we have to wait for that, whatever it creates, and then we're gonna run our products and see what it creates. Here we go. It has built everything what we wanted. So there you go. There is the thing. Let's go to run that, what it creates. Just open up a new terminal and we just in the right file, so new idea, there is our right file npm run dev. There you go. We're quite excited about it. So there you go. We got our products. Let's go whether it's what it made. So here you go, our ultimate proof MVP. Here, the see where your energy bill is lacking and fix it in dollars. So great UI here. There is absolutely amazing. So static route, preferences, route info, core questions. If it fixes this, how much will your weeks? There is lovely UI here. There is a form, choosing a file of your bill, your utility bill, and go on the baseline. This is absolutely super. Look at that. Everything is responsive and work really well. There's a note and history added the sticks and stimulate. Event flag is $4 monthly project monthly build, and your waste is 46. Your annual waste is $46. Ranks fixed and property tracking. Mark is fixed and done. If you're fixed that, it can monthly savings $4. Absolutely super. So I guess you got the points how Codex workflows work. There is the best workflows I ever learned recently. So I guess you enjoyed these videos, and probably we're gonna see in the next any super amazing videos. Thank you so much.